Welcome to the Bhakti Special channel. Today, we take you on a spiritual journey to one of the architectural marvels of South India, the Airavateshwara temple located in Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu, India. Built in the 12th century by Raja Chola II, this temple is a stunning example of Chola dynasty architecture. The temple is known for its intricately carved pillars, stone chariots, musical steps, and beautifully detailed sculptures. Situated in the culturally rich southern region, this temple stands as a symbol of divine beauty and heritage. According to the Puranas, this sacred temple has been worshipped not only by gods and celestial beings but also by the Navagrahas, 9 planetary deities, and the Pancha Mahabhutas, the 5 fundamental elements of nature: earth, water, fire, air, and space. The main Vimana, above the sanctum, rises to about 85 feet, with beautifully carved sculptures adorning every surface. The front hall is built in the shape of a chariot, drawn by horses and elephants, sculpted from stone. Each temple in this region is uniquely named after the deity that is enshrined and worshipped within it. This temple, in particular, is named Airavateshwara, after Airavata, the white elephant and celestial vehicle, Vahana, of Lord Indra, who is believed to have worshipped Lord Shiva here to rid himself of a curse. Hence, the deity here is called Airavateshwara, meaning the Lord worshipped by Airavata. The Airavateshwara temple is not just a place of worship, but a treasure of ancient art, architecture, and spiritual significance. Stay tuned as we explore its intricate carvings, fascinating legends, and divine energy in today's episode. The Saptaswara steps or musical steps in the temple produce 7 different musical notes when tapped, each corresponding to a swara in Indian classical music. The Airavateshwara temple is part of the Great Living Chola temples and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its extraordinary architecture and historical significance. The front mandapam, hall, is designed like a stone chariot drawn by horses, much like the famous Konark Sun temple in Odisha. This symbolizes the divine movement of time and dharma. Main deity and worship. Presiding deity, Lord Shiva in the form of Airavateshwara. Consort, Goddess Periya Naiki Amman, a form of Parvati, has a separate shrine. The sanctum features a lingam, as in most Shiva temples. The temple follows Shaivite rituals and is active with daily pujas, especially during Pradosham, Shivratri, and Tiruvadhirai.